guest room right now, which is like the room that's all the way in the back of the house. And this is usually where like our parents stay, my in-laws when they come and watch the kids, my dad, any guests. And then also where we hang a lot of our extra stuff, but also where we keep a lot of our suitcases, our empty suitcases. If you guys remember when we moved from the US to Spain, we brought so many suitcases, all of our lives in our suitcases. So this shouldn't be hard, but there are a few things that we have accumulated over a year and a half, which it's not much, but it's just having to go through everything and then declutter everything that we brought again. So starting with laundry right now, the lighting situation in this place is not the best. So I'm really glad to be going to the new place because it's a lot more open. There's a lot more light coming in too. And then also the bulb, the lights aren't going to be going off because the ones here go off all the time. So we have to constantly be like tugging at them so that they can turn on. I'm not gonna miss that. But here is some of the boys' clothes, which I actually have to declutter their clothes and see what they have grown out of and then donate it. The way you donate here is you put everything in like what would be, it looks like a trash can, like an outside trash can, but it's really a place where you go and donate your clothes and just drop everything off. So I might have to go do that. If you guys know of a better option here in Spain and how to donate, let me know. I'm in the boys' room now and it's time to go through their closet and see what fits them and what doesn't fit them. All three boys share this whole closet right here. So definitely a change from what we had in the US because everyone had their own closets, but here we all have to share because of the way everything is. And at the new place, we're probably gonna have to buy 2 of these so that we all have enough space because I think right now they only have 2 and that's obviously not enough for a family of 5. But I'm gonna put everything in here that needs to be donated. I'm gonna see what I can donate, what I can pack, what I can keep for the next few days that we're gonna be here, and then see how I can make it work. I have a lot going on in my head right now. Good morning. It is a few days later. Today is Thursday. Is this on, right? Yeah. Okay. Today is Thursday. I completely stopped vlogging the day that I was decluttering because I got way too into it and I really needed to concentrate. So that's what I did. I still feel like I have so much to do. I don't even know where to start. I feel completely overwhelmed. I didn't even do anything yesterday. That's how overwhelmed I was. But today is the big day. Today we are signing the contract and hopefully we get the keys today. The realtor said that we might be able to get the keys the day of signing just so that we have access to the apartment, but we don't have to move in just yet if we don't want to. But hopefully we do because we want to deep clean it and move things around so that on move-in day, everything is ready for us to just bring our stuff in. So hopefully we're able to do that. So I'm getting ready right now and we're just going to take the boys to school. And then at like 10:30, we're going to meet with the realtor. So I'm really excited. I am so excited. I can't believe it's almost here because we move like next week. That's crazy. So, okay, I'm going to get dressed. Oh, I got to put some lip stuff on. So let me show you guys my lip combo lately. It has been a lip liner from MAC in Soar. I've had this for years and I just found it. So I'm really glad because I actually really like this color. And then I recently got the Kiko Milano 3D Hydra lip gloss in the shade 17. It's this really pretty shimmery lip gloss, which is weird because I don't like lip gloss and I don't like shimmery stuff, but this is actually really pretty. So I'm going to put some on right now. I'm not even really that good at lip lining because I have like a really weird lip shape. All right, and now for the lip gloss. I really like this combo. Here's the lip combo. I feel like I really need to put some powder on because I look a little bit shiny, but I don't think I have time for that. So, all right, I'm gonna go. All right, contract is signed. We have the keys now, and we're just at the apartment right now looking through everything to see what we want to move around, where we're going to sleep, and just kind of get an idea of what everything's going to be like here for us. But it's done. It's ours. So I'm really excited. Here's the kitchen. Can't wait to do all these cooking videos. And finally try some Spanish dishes. All right, so we're gonna keep doing our little walkthrough and see what we end up doing.
I'm trying to think, because the table part of it are over there, more over there, yeah?
This table?
Yeah.
I was thinking of, okay, this is what I was thinking. I was thinking of making this table smaller and putting it against this
Yeah,
wall.
I was thinking that too, actually.
Really? And then I was thinking the TV goes here with that stand over there, and then the couch goes here, and then a recliner here, and then those two chairs right here.
Where's Alex thinking?
All right, George just left to go get the boys from school. I'm staying here, locking up, and I have to stop by the store real quick. But we did move things around. As you saw, we moved the table over here. I don't know if you guys remember, but in the tour, the table was all the way over here, and it took up a lot of space. The people that used to live here used to host a lot, so they needed the table there. That's why they had the bedroom as one of like as their living room, let's say. But obviously that doesn't work for us. So we moved the couch over here. This is the TV that they left. Our TV is much bigger than this, so I don't know how it's going to fit here being that close to the TV, if that makes sense. We put those two little chairs over there, and then we moved the table here. We made it smaller. Thankfully, you can make it smaller, and we moved it here. Now we're just figuring out the room situation, like who is gonna get which room. We do have to buy a small mattress for guests, but that's pretty much it. And then the wardrobes, because I don't think there are enough wardrobes for all of us. But this is what used to be the TV room. It's going to be a room for one of the boys, because I don't want the boys to have balconies. Out of the 4 bedrooms, 2 have balconies and 2 don't. I'm gonna go on Amazon like right now and order locks for every single window, every single door, because we're actually way higher than we were at the first place. So I just want to be careful. However, it's really cool because we have a view of a castle, the Santa Barbara Castle, which is so nice. I can't believe our view is a freaking castle. That's crazy. But anyway, this is gonna be a room, and we're just gonna move the beds around and then figure out which room is for who and who gets what dresser. But one of the beds becomes a double like that. We have to move things around anyway, but we'll figure that out within the next few days. But anyway, I'm gonna lock up and then go run my errands, and yeah, I am gonna have to come back later with my in-laws and my dad because they want to see the place. And then tomorrow and Saturday, I think I'm gonna come and do a deep cleaning. I was thinking of getting someone to help me, but I don't know. I might just do it myself or something. So anyway, all right, talk to you in a bit. Good morning. It is the next day. I'm back in the apartment, and I'm going to clean this place today before we move in. I'm going to do a deep clean just because I like to do that anyway. The place is clean. I think they cleaned it before we left, but I still want to give it our own touch and clean it my way. So I went to Mercadona and I bought some cleaning supplies, and I'm going to get to it. So if you want some cleaning motivation and you want to clean your house, let's do it together. the next day, it is Saturday today, and it is around 11:25, and I'm back at the apartment. I cleaned so much yesterday, and then my dad came and helped me move things around. So we moved the beds into whatever room we think they're gonna go into, and who's gonna sleep where. I did order some sheets for the boys yesterday on Amazon, and I did order a bunch of locks for every single balcony door, every single window. I went to the bazaar today to buy some vacuum sealed bags so that I can put any sheets and towels that they left here, because we have our own, so I don't want to use these. And I'm just going to put them in the bags and then put them in storage. And what else? I was going to sweep and mop today, but I don't have it in me. I'm so tired from yesterday. And then also at 3 o'clock, I have to take Alex to the youth reunion event that they're having today at church. So I have to take him to that. And I don't want to waste all my energy here. So, oh, I also went to Zara Home to buy some soaps and like a few little towels to have. I love having a Zara Home so close to us. I wish we had an H&M home too, but can't have it all. All right, so I'm gonna finish doing this and then just go back home.